Have you ever wanted to install a bathroom in a space where traditional plumbing just won't reach? Maybe a basement, attic, or even a small remote room? If so, an Upflush toilet could be the perfect solution for your home. In this video, we'll break down the magic behind Upflush toilets, what they are, how they function, and why they're a game changer for unconventional spaces. What is an Upflush toilet? An Upflush toilet is a type of toilet designed for spaces where gravity-fed plumbing systems don't work. Unlike traditional toilets that rely on gravity to push waste through large pipes, Upflush toilets use a macerator and pump to grind the waste into a slurry, which is then pumped through smaller, more flexible pipes. This makes it possible to install a toilet in places like basements or remote rooms without the need for expensive, disruptive plumbing renovations. The beauty of an Upflush toilet is its ability to handle waste without relying on gravity, making it an ideal solution for areas where traditional plumbing would be too complicated or costly. Key components of an Upflush toilet. So, what makes up an Upflush toilet? There are three key components that work together seamlessly. First, the Macerator. This powerful device is responsible for breaking down waste into a fine slurry, making it easier to pump through narrow pipes. Next is the pump, which pushes the slurry toward the main plumbing or sewage system, either vertically or horizontally depending on your setup. Finally, the toilet unit itself, which is specifically designed to work with the macerator and pump. Some models even have the macerator built right into the toilet for easier installation. Together, these parts allow you to install a functional bathroom in areas where traditional plumbing would require costly and invasive work. How does an Upflush toilet work? Let's dive into the mechanics of how an Upflush toilet actually operates. When you flush, the waste enters the macerator, which quickly shreds it into a slurry. The waste is then mixed with water, making it easier to pump through small, narrow pipes. The pump kicks in next, pushing the slurry toward the main sewage line, whether that's up a vertical pipe or along a horizontal one. This system is particularly useful in locations like basements, attics, or remote rooms, where gravity-based plumbing would be impossible. And because the pipes are smaller in diameter, they're easier and less disruptive to install, making the whole process far less invasive than traditional plumbing methods. Benefits of Upflush toilets. Upflush toilets come with a host of benefits, especially if you're looking to install a bathroom in a challenging space. One of the biggest advantages is easy installation. You won't need to dig up your floors or install large pipes. The system works well even in spaces without any existing plumbing, which makes it a simple solution for those looking to add a bathroom without major renovations. Another key benefit is cost effectiveness. While Upflush toilets may have a higher initial cost than standard models, they're still more affordable than tearing up floors or installing an entirely new sewage line. The system also offers flexibility. Whether it's a basement, attic, or second-floor room, you can install a bathroom almost anywhere. Additionally, many Upflush toilets are space-saving and compact, making them perfect for smaller rooms or tight spaces where a traditional toilet might not fit. Limitations of Upflush toilets. Upflush toilets depend on electricity, so power outages can render them inoperable. The macerator can also be noisy, especially in quiet spaces. Regular maintenance is required to prevent clogs, and the initial cost is higher than a standard toilet, which may be a barrier for some homeowners. Ideal scenarios for using an Upflush toilet. Upflush toilets are ideal for adding bathrooms to basements, second stories, or remote areas where installing traditional plumbing would be too costly or disruptive. They're also great for home renovations, providing a quick, cost-effective way to add a bathroom without major plumbing changes.